Hi there, my name is Kathy. Welcome to the Junk Shack, baby. I thought this idea was so stinking cute, I had to share it with you early. So really, this is a bonus video. I certainly hope you enjoy it. Oh my God, look at the score. 3 glass light bulbs. They look like they're freshly wired for bulbs. Looks like pretty long cord. They had $5 on this one and another one. $5 each, but then this one didn't have anything. I said, so how much? She said, will you take all 3 for $8? Oh, honey. Yes, I will. Thank you. One of the easier DIY projects I've ever done. I just removed the cord and the light bulb socket and then added a strand of battery-powered twinkle lights. I love it. Really, you could do this project with any kind of a globe like that. It was so simple. I got the twinkle lights off of Amazon. They're a dime a dozen on there. Well, not really a dime a dozen, but you can find them anywhere. I got I think it was 16 foot long, and just stuffed them in the globe. Look for a globe next time you're thrift shopping. Possibly the coolest part about these lights is they are remote controlled. Just on off, there's 7 or 8 different settings. They're called settings. Kind of hard to tell in the daytime. And then you can turn them off. They also have several timer settings to choose from. I store the little remote right here. Easy to get to. Don't forget, I still have these long light bulb cords, and I have a whole bunch of cool ideas. Subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on what I do with these. And these chairs I picked up on the same trip. There are 6 of them for $140. Home run! The seats and the fabric are in really, really good shape. It's like no one ever sat on them. I think I will give them a paint job. Maybe black, maybe an antiquing looking black, a wash. We'll see. I just removed on off. There's 7 or 8 different, what are they called? You know, some go fast, some go slow, whatever. Settings. They're called settings. Easiest DIY I have ever done. Balls, I guess, light shade balls. Thanks a bunch for watching. See you guys next week. Same time, same place. Junk Shack, baby.